Hi, today I'm reviewing the Numbuzin #3 Skin Softening Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if that's something you're into, like, subscribe, share the video, check out the links below, or check out my Patreon community. Okay, so I want to say this is my second bottle of this, but I didn't review it the first time, so I can't remember. It might have been the #6 serum I'm thinking of. So anyway, just whatever, just ignore that. Cut it out. Okay. So they say achieve radiant and younger looking skin with this repair serum that boosts Galactomyces, Bifida to moisturize skin, boosts skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Lightweight formula deeply nourishes and hydrates skin to reveal an even complexion. And anyway, so I'm into Numbuzin. So I started this review and then I fell asleep and had weird dreams. Weird dreams. So I don't know if this product made me dream weird things, but I was like in an old house and my old dog was in there and I was trying to find clothes for him and weird dream. I must be thinking of winter because I was thinking, I need to get Lincoln a new jacket. He gets cold so easily. And then I must have dreamt about my old dog. And he didn't like clothes, but Lincoln tolerates clothes. Some dogs love being dressed up and some just don't. So Lincoln doesn't mind it. Although I did have a little cute hat for Gertie, and I don't think she liked that either. But she looks so cute in it. Anyway. Okay, totally digressing. So, okay, on to the review. Okay, first criteria is packaging. Glass bottle with a dropper dispenser. No issues with that. It's heavy. It's very heavy. It's very thick glass, so no issues with that. It's just heavy. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no real noticeable scent to it, so no issues with that. Okay, in terms of the manufacturing location, this is made in Korea, so no issues with that. In terms of ease of use, so they recommend after cleansing, apply a moderate amount of product onto the entire face and pat gently for better absorption. I apply this in my evening routine after cleansing and toning and before other serums. It's got a really nice light texture to it, liquid texture. There we go. So I'd say like half a dropper's and well enough for my face and neck. So here we go. Nice liquid texture to it. Smooths over skin really easily, absorbs pretty quickly. A little bit of this goes a long way. Some people recommend using this as a makeup primer. It does not work for me, and here's why. Because after my ampule or serum, I will apply vitamin C in the morning. Then I'll apply a moisturizer, then a sunscreen, and then foundation. So can't work as a primer because it's going to go before my sunscreen no matter what. So it doesn't really work that way. Maybe if you use a very good foundation with sunscreen, you could use this as a primer because it does have some, once it soaks in, it does blur pores a little bit and kind of softens the look of skin a little bit. So something to consider. For me, it doesn't work, but for others, it might work. I haven't found a foundation with sunscreen that I find to be reliable enough. I need a good sunscreen, and I don't personally recommend using foundation as a sunscreen as your main source of sunscreen, but some people may just do that, or maybe do it occasionally. So anyway, it might work that way. So that might be worth considering. My skin is super dry, so I need more hydration in my morning routine than just this can offer, but it is very nice and it does blur skin and things like that. And I can see how oilier skin types might prefer this. So anyway, so very nice. It is kind of tacky, but kind of once it soaks in, it sets kind of a matte finish. So no issues with ease of use, very easy to use. You can use it morning and evening or choose one or the other or both, whatever works for you. So no issues at all with that. In terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, so we got 42% Bifida Ferment Lysate, which is a probiotic ingredient. It has soothing, hydrating, and barrier function enhancing benefits for skin, may help heal DNA damage from sun exposure, and can also help with skin sensitivity. We've got 21% Galactomyces ferment, which is also known as Patera. It's a yeast-derived ingredient made famous by SK2. Can help with anti-aging due to its vitamin, mineral, amino acid components that the sake ferment contains. Also helps with hydration and helps protect skin from free radical damage. It may also increase hyaluronate production in epidermal cells. And finally, can also help with brightening and fighting hyperpigmentation issues. So it may be a miracle ingredient. A lot of people that add it into the routine are pretty happy that they did. We've got niacinamide, which is a skin brightening anti-acne ingredient. Squalane, skin identical ingredient, antioxidant. Alteromonas ferment filtrate, a polysaccharide that the manufacturer claims may help soothe skin and reduce redness. We've got silk extract, which is a skin conditioning ingredient. I think that's probably what gives it that blurring. Because if you notice, it's kind of softening the appearance. And anyway, so I think that ingredient probably helps with that. We've got goat milk extract, which is skin conditioning ingredient, may function as an antioxidant as well. Sodium hyaluronate, so humectant, panthenol, skin soothing, wound healing. Then we've got adenosine, cell communicating wound healing ingredient. So a nice but short list of beneficial ingredients in ferments. Love ferments. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free, so no issues with that. In terms of performance, it does help a ton with the smoothness of skin, so I can see how people with pores or larger pores find this blurs them and kind of helps hide imperfections. I really think this does that. Skin feels smoother and less red instantly after applying this. I think it instantly does calm skin down, which is nice. It certainly helps with redness and things like that. In terms of the promises this product makes, I think it delivers on them. It's hydrating. It can help fight acne with the ferments and niacinamide in there. And it can help with redness as well. Those ferments are great with that. And the panthenol and adenosine are also great for soothing and wound healing. So I think it delivers, which is nice to see. And great, again, for those with oilier or larger pore size. For acne-prone skin, we've got a couple ingredients of note. We've got squalane, glyceryl, stearate, and then carbomer. Nothing terribly alarming there. In terms of the price of the full size, 50 milliliters, 1.7 ounces, retails for about $19. So it's a pretty good deal. A little bit of this goes a long way. A bottle will last you forever. In terms of the it factor, I really like this one. So recently there's another similar product I've been testing, which is the V-Green Reishi Barrier Serum. They have some of the same ferments in here. Personally, with my dry skin, I prefer the V-Green, but if you have oilier skin, I can see the Numbuzin would probably be more up that alley. While the V-Green, I think, is a little bit more friendly for oilier or dry skin types because it's a little bit more hydrating, sets to more of a radiant finish, while this one is more of a smoother, blurred finish, matte finish. So anyway, so there's a few dupes for this one. The Reishi is one of them. The Manual Bifida Biome Complex Ampule, and then the Summer Fridays Dream Oasis Deep Hydration Serum is another dupe or alternative. So some nice alternatives to it, but I think for oilier skin, maybe using it as a primer, seems like it could be a really nice possibility and a good primer for your skin with good beneficial ingredients instead of just something superficial and, you know, all about the appearance instantly without any good ingredients. So anyway, okay, so with a 10 being a perfect score, this one a 9. The it factor, I think, was my only thing because I preferred the Reishi. Had I not tried the Reishi in the same year, I probably would like the Numbuzin a little bit more, but I think the Reishi is more geared towards my skin type. So anyway. So 9 out of 10. Interested in hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are. Leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.